Are you feeling a little bored and uninspired? Fear not, the world of 3D printing is here to rescue you from the doldrums of everyday life. Imagine a realm where your ideas come to life, where the only limit is your imagination. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will ignite your creative spark and have you 3D printing like a pro in no time. Let's start with the basics. 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that allows you to create physical objects from digital designs. Whether you're a seasoned engineer, a crafty dyer, or simply someone looking to unleash their inner artist, 3D printing offers endless possibilities. From practical household items to whimsical sculptures, the sky's the limit when it comes to what you can create. Now, you might be wondering, but what can I 3D print when I'm bored? Well, my friends, the options are practically limitless. How about starting with a custom phone case that reflects your unique style? Or maybe you'd prefer to design and print your own set of chess pieces for an epic game night. Need a new vase for your indoor garden? 3D printing has got you covered. But wait, there's more. Unleash your inner child and 3D print your very own action figures, toys, and even miniature replicas of your favorite movie characters. The possibilities are truly endless, and the best part is that you get to be the master of your own creativity. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have a 3D printer. How can I get in on this action? Fear not, there are plenty of resources out there to help you get started. From online 3D printing services to affordable desktop printers, the world of 3D printing is more accessible than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your computer, fire up your imagination, and let's dive into the wonderful world of 3D printing. Trust me, once you start, you'll never want to stop. And don't forget to check out our channel for more 3D printing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Happy printing!